Hi, it's Paraic here from Horkins. Well, I hope you're putting all my gardening tips to use at the moment. And one of the key jobs I'm doing myself in the garden is pruning back my fruiting plants. In particular, apple trees, pear trees, and soft fruits including blueberries, black, white and red currants, and indeed gooseberries can be pruned at this time of year. Pruning helps to stimulate new growth, and on that growth the plants will bear flowers and fruit over the next couple of years. And the pruning back of plants helps to keep them young and also helps to keep particularly apples and pears that little bit shorter and easier to pick the apples. But once pruned, it's important to clean off any pruned stems, leaves or weeds that are on the beds. Leave the beds nice and clean. Remove any grass around the base of apple trees and pear trees and soft fruit. And once pruned, apply a dressing of winter wash. Winter wash is designed to clean off any overwintering eggs or aphids that might be on the plants and really starts the fruiting plants off to the best start in early spring. Winter wash can be applied anytime from November right through until mid-March. So now is the time to prune back your fruiting plants, but also it's the time of year to give them a dressing of the winter wash to give them a good start coming into the spring. Remember, winter wash is available from Horkins on horkins.ie for home delivery. Bye for now and stay gardening.